Magandang araw sa inyo mga boy. Welcome back ulit sa ating channel. At sa video ito, update lang tayo sa PBA team standings as of December 25, 2023. So, number 1 pa rin dyan mga boy sa standings ang Magnolia Chicken Templados with 9-1 win-loss record. Meron na sila ngayong 2-game win streak. Pangalawa naman dyan ang Phoenix Fuel Masters with 7-1 win-loss record. Meron silang 6-game winning streak. Okay. Pangatlo ang Meralco Bolts mga bay, naputol yung win streak nila, 4-game win streak. Meron silang 6-2 win-loss record. Pang-apat naman dyan ang San Miguel Beermen with 5-3 win-loss record. Meron silang 2-game winning streak. Okay. Panglima naman dyan ang Barangay Ginebra with 5 wins and 3 losses. Meron na silang naputol na nila yung 2-game losing streak nila mga bay, ano? Pang-anim naman ang Northport Batang Pier with 5-4 win-loss record. Meron silang 2-game losing streak. Sunod naman dyan ang TNT Tropang Giga with 4-4 win-loss record. Meron silang naputol yung 2-game winning streak nila. Okay? And then yung Rain or Shine, 4-5, patuloy yung arangkada nila mga bay, no? Yung win streak nila umangat na sa pang-apat. Sunod naman dyan ang NLEX Road Warriors with 3-6 win-loss record. Okay? Sunod ang Tira Firma Jeep with 2-7 with 6-game losing streak. Blackwater with 1-8 with 8-game losing streak. At ang Converge Fiber Extras with 1-8 with 2-game losing streak. So, I think basically ang tanggal na rito, officially tanggal is Tira Firma, Blackwater at Converge. Okay? Yung NLEX, meron pa yata silang pag-asa kung masisweep nila yung remaining 2 games nila. Okay? So, yan yung updated team standings mga bay as of December 25, 2023. Yun lang mga bay. Maraming salamat sa panonood.